Hi, this is Vinay Prakash, co-founder of Ubiq. Uh, I have five insurance policies in my name. I have 10 home appliances of different brands in my house. I drive a car. My son goes to a school. In all these cases, I am a customer of large brands, large enterprises, and all these enterprises have one app or the other for their customers. But I as a customer of them have never used any of these apps, and I'm not alone. The statistics tells me the same thing. Not more than 5% of the customer base of any large enterprise or large brand has ever used these kind of apps. And these apps are not for fun. They are actually to service their customers. These enterprises offer their pre-sales, sales, and post-sales related services to their customers through these kind of apps. They tend to engage their customers. They tend to retain their customers. They tend to generate repeat business with the same customers, with their existing customers through these kind of apps. But very few people have ever used this kind of apps. The other side of story is equally striking. More than 10,000 SMBs, small medium businesses, don't have their own app. They look forward to some kind of platform where they can engage their customers. They can have the same gamut of services they can offer to their customers. They can retain their customers. But if they start having their standalone apps, there'll be plethora of apps in the market. So there has to be a platform where without having their own app, they can do the same thing. Overall, I can see a gap in terms of enterprise customer connect, in terms of customer retention, in terms of customer engagement with the large enterprises as well as SMBs. We have identified this gap, and we've tried to bridge this gap. Let's imagine a situation where we have a platform like Paytm, but not only payment related services, but all other services are mapped over there. It should be sector agnostic and multi enterprise ecosystem. Ubiq is a similar platform. We call it an app as a service platform, where through which multiple enterprises, multiple SMBs can offer their services to their customers through a shared app. And these services will be the same: the pre-sales, post-sales, retention related services. They can engage their customers through these apps, and they will this app will help enterprise enhance customer experience as well. Apart from offering this gamut of services, the entire life cycle of customer enterprise relationship, Ubiq also helps with its AI-enabled modules and big data-enabled modules and tools to enhance customer experience and to achieve multiple business goals. We have around 30 partners, all big and small kind of. Tata IIA is one of them, Jubilant Consumer, Primerica, Axis Bank, Revenar Foods, to name a few. We have completed more than 1 year of operations. We have around 50,000 users. The number of users have steadily grown over last 1 year. The annual transactions that have occurred through us is 60 lakh rupees, and last financial year, we've made a revenue of around 4 lakhs plus. We have four kinds of revenue streams, four revenue model we have. The SaaS fee and the transactional commission have already started during last 1 year. The two will start only when we'll have a sizable ecosystem of around 1 million users. The CX market, the customer experience market, is slated to be of 14 billion USD globally by 2024, and in India it is going to be of $1 billion by 2024. 15% of enterprises expenditure goes to the customer experience management, and Gartner has rightly predicted that 52% of the resources of larger enterprises will go into CX related innovations post 2019. So we think we are in the right slot, we are in the right space. So far, we have no competition in the market. There are many aggregators. They're vertical specific. They mostly help enterprises with sales, but nobody has mapped the entire life cycle of a customer. We have heard Google Pay is doing the similar kind of pilot in Singapore. Paytm has also started working on mapping other services along with the payments, but these are unconfirmed resources. But we are happy to get competition from these biggies. We are looking for an investment of around 2 crores, out of which 40%, the majority will go into tech support and enhancement. We are developing multiple AI-enabled modules to help customers, to help enterprises enhance customer experience. The other part will go majorly into business acquisition and user acquisition. The next 1 year's target is to have 1 million users, to have a revenue of around 2+ crores, and to become EBITDA positive. For go-to strategy, we have kept the post-COVID scenario in mind, where SMBs will be our focus. They are the ones who are looking for this kind of platform where they can engage with the customers. We have to hire more field manpower to approach SMBs. We are developing, as I said, we are developing many modules and tools to help customers, to help enterprises, particularly with sales, because this is a time where they'll focus more on sales. And also there is a lack of customer engagement, customer retention. So they will they want to engage the customers better in post-COVID era. We have a unique concept of Ubiqc Desk, through which we help customers, we help enterprises do offline customer engagement, and obviously digital marketing will be another forte. We are launching the same product in Myanmar market in coming years with some certain customizations. This is how we look like. We all three are IIT BHU graduates. I have been in entrepreneurs for the last 15 years. Rohit has been into product architecture, has worked with Microsoft and Cadence. KK has been into sales, has worked with major telecom and real estate companies. This is what it is from my side. We would welcome your participation to give us strategic connects, references, and I would thank industry experts to help me with that. Thank you.